प्रधानमंत्री जी ने ऐतिहासिक बड़प्पन का परिचय दिया और गुरु नानक देव जी के पावन प्रकाश पर्व पर उन्होंने इनको वापस लेने की घोषणा की। इसलिए इस पर कोई भी विषय आगे बढ़ाने की जरूरत नहीं है, चर्चा की जरूरत नहीं है।
We wanted to have a conversation about the forces behind these bills. This is a reflection of the fact that the government is terrified of having this discussion.
This is a murder of the democracy. This is a murder of the constitution. It is a biased decision, vindictive decision.
किसी ने कहा प्रियंका जी आपका नाम आया है CCTV, आप आइए अपनी एक्सप्लेनेशन दीजिए। They cannot do this. This is unheard of in a democracy. And what rules are they talking about?
Watching News Epicenter with me, Maria Shakil. It is day one of the war in Parliament and the storm has just begun. 12 MPs from the Rajya Sabha have been suspended over the ruckus they created in the monsoon session of Parliament, where papers were thrown at the chair and a female marshal was manhandled during the opposition protest. These MPs hail from the Congress, TMC, Shiv Sena and left parties. They include Trinamool's Dola Sen, Shiv Sena's Priyanka Chaturvedi and Anil Desai, as well as the Congress parties Ripun Bora and Nasir Hussain. The opposition parties released a statement that they will resist the authoritarian decision taken by the government and will hold a strategy meeting on Tuesday for the next course of action. However, the unity of the opposition is in question. The Trinamool Congress skipped the opposition meeting before the parliament session, and it is also not a signatory to the joint statement of the opposition parties over the suspension of the MPs. The farm laws were also repealed through a voice vote in both houses of parliament, but the opposition is fuming as there was no discussion. The battle lines have been drawn on day one of the winter session. After repeal, can the farm laws remain a potent political tool in the opposition's arsenal? Or will the new push be over the demand for an MSP law? Moreover, can the opposition remain united in Parliament to take on the BJP? Or is the TMC's strategy to edge out the Congress to head the opposition camp going to hurt any attempt for a united stand? Joining me on the show, Dola Sen, Member of Parliament of the TMC, Rakesh Sinha, Member of Parliament of the BJP, Pawan Khera, spokesperson of the Congress. Rakesh Sinha, why did the government shy away from the discussion on repeal of the farm laws?
You know, there was discussion in the Parliament when 3 laws were introduced, and the opposition got the time more than they expected. The time has already been allotted to every opposition party according to their strength, but they wanted more time and more time were given. And every opposition party spoke of its mind. Nobody objected. They critiqued the government. They said their own point of view. Government responded there. Parliament is known for democratic debate and discussion, as Prime Minister before the session already said. When Prime Minister claims before the world, India is the oldest democracy. India is the oldest democracy because Lichavi and Vaishali we have example. It is not Athens and Sparta. This claim is declaimed by the opposition parties by creating such a unprecedented situation in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, which is not expected from the House of Elders. And they are blaming us for...
Then in that case, if the government, if it is a parliamentary democracy and parliamentary democracy is about discussion and debate, then the opposition should, should have been allowed to put forth its view regarding the repeal of these laws.
You know,
discussion would have been
these
healthy.
3 laws were discussed. Yes, I'm telling you, these 3 laws were discussed length and breadth. Every opposition party spoke of its mind. Hours and hours they spoke. And their point of view, no. They said this law should be repealed, that is repealed. What else discussion you want? You already discussed the thing.
No, but that happened, Mr. Sinha, that
happened
when the bill was passed. Today it is about the repeal of the laws. And the circumstances have changed.
What is the repeal of the law? I'm telling you, the way laws were framed and laws were passed by the majority of the members. There some farmers were dissatisfied, and Prime Minister already said that. We failed to convince them, and these laws were withdrawn. What else you want to discuss?
Okay.
The moment it was introduced, everything you spoke about the farmers, everything about the law you spoke. This means this winter session, you want to sacrifice the winter session. There are various important laws to be framed.
Okay.
There are very important issues to be discussed. This country is not stagnant.
Okay.
We are a dynamic society where there are many socio-economic and political issues.
Okay.
You want to stagnate and kill the entire winter session.
Okay, that's a charge that is coming against you, Dola Sen and Pawan Khera. But Dola Sen, you are among the 12 MPs who have been suspended from the Rajya Sabha, but the TMC is not even the signatory to this joint statement of the opposition. Why is the TMC distancing itself from other opposition MPs?
First of all, I will answer, I will reply, I will reciprocate towards Rakesh Singh ji's version, first of all, for a while. I only mention that it is 303's arrogance. They are 303, number is 303 in Lok Sabha, and in Rajya Sabha too, they are majority now. So it's that very arrogance of themselves, their majority. तो ऐसे ही उनका बात ही चलेगा बाबा, सिर्फ ऑपोजिशन के सुनने का भी उनका धीरज नहीं है, पेशेंस नहीं है. तो it's the arrogance, and we condemn the arrogance of the super majority, 303 power, and with that arrogance they have transformed the Make in India of Modi ji to Sell India 2. They are selling rail to well, sell to BSNL. All are in stake now. So it's the question to save the country, to save the constitution, to save the people of the country, to save the farmers, to save the industry,
you know what you're
to
saying
save
is
the public
essentially
sector
what is
undertaking,
there in this
to
statement.
save the public enterprise,
And I'm going to come to this
save
statement
the
again,
workers
ma'am,
from
the statement says,
the autocracy.
This statement says
And the second point,
that this is about resisting authoritarian decision.
I'm coming
then
to.
why are you not with the other opposition parties? All the opposition parties are listed
The second
here.
point I am coming to. Please, you also.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Please be patient. I am coming to your second point. The second point is nothing. There is opposition unity. If you go through the Rajya Sabha TV today too, you will see that all of us, all opposition were together to protest. 4 times, 5 times we have happened to be there without adjournment, and the opposition unity was there at the time of protest. So we are for opposition unity. There is no disunity, and don't think like British rules कि डिवाइड एंड रूल, वो बीजेपी सोचेंगे कि डिवाइड एंड रूल अच्छा होगा, लेकिन वो डिवाइड एंड रूल इधर वो नहीं सफल होंगे. तो इधर भी ये साइन का बात जो एक मिनट जो साइन का बात आप कर रहे थे वो हमको पता ही नहीं था. शायद हमारे लीडर को पता होंगे, वो तो अभी है ही नहीं हाउस पे, वो कलकत्ता से रात को आ रहा है. उनको पता होगा, हमको पता होगा, पार्टी डिसीजन लेगा, शायद साइन हो भी सकता है. हम as soon as the house was adjourned, we the AITC people rushed to our party office, 61 South Avenue, and our chief whip Mr. Shukhendu Shekhar Rai, our beloved leader, he has done a press conference over there. So we were not aware of the opposition memorandum to be signed.
Okay.
So no problem,
Rakesh
no
Sinha,
tension.
a quick 10
Derek will
seconds
come
to you.
Delhi tonight only.
Okay, and then I bring in Pawan Khera.
You know, I don't want to comment upon what is happening in the West Bengal Assembly and the West Bengal government is doing. That is not my here business, because the topic is the parliamentary democracy, and that is too is the parliament. What I want to say, 3 quick points here. The Congress party has blinkered vision, and the opposition party is fractured. They don't know what to say, what to speak, what to do, because they just want to stall everything in parliament. In the name of democracy, they are killing the democracy. The dynasty which has ruling the Congress party also wants to rule the country in its own dynastic and totalitarian way. Government is formed by the majority, Democracy is for the majority. We fight election to get the majority. Congress party got the majority 50 years, and they have the right to frame the law. And just tell me, when these 3 laws were introduced, how much time Congress got? The Congress spokesperson should say. Originally, how much time they got, and later on, how much time increased.
Okay.
TMC, RJD, even a smaller parties which got the 10 minutes
So
time.
because they were allocated time then, there should not be any discussion now is the logic that you're giving. Pawan Khera, you respond to what Mr. Rakesh Sinha is saying, and my question to you is also, how soon will the opposition settle this war within before it can unitedly take on the government, something that we saw in the monsoon session? What has changed from the monsoon session to the winter session?
Mariam, my friend Rakesh Sinha ji said it's their right to frame laws. But fair enough. But you also have a duty. Before framing the laws, your duty it is to consult the stakeholders who are not in the house and then bring a bill to the house and then have widespread consultations and discussions on a bill. After all, it affects millions and millions of farmers. So just talking about your rights and forgetting your duties, you cannot stand there and say कि भैया मैंने कह दिया अब खत्म ये कानून. अरे आप कौन हो साहब? शाह हो, शहनशाह हो, बादशाह हो, कौन हो आप? 700 farmers lose their lives. Some of them being mowed down by the son of MOS Home, who still is MOS Home. 3,500 crores a day were the losses as measured by the ASSOCHAM study because of these protests for 1 year plus. Who's responsible? Who will apologize to the nation for all this? Who will compensate these farmers? आप संसद के बाहर मन की बात करेंगे, संसद के भीतर मनमानी की बात करेंगे और कहेंगे हमारा अधिकार है. ये आपका अधिकार नहीं है. आप सांसद हैं, आप मुझसे ज्यादा समझते हैं संसद में क्या मर्यादा होती है, क्या गरिमा होती है. You cannot pass bills the way these bills were passed. You keep repeating Congress got time. No, we were thrown out of the house. It was passed in a din. And likewise today, you did the same. अरे आपको चर्चा करने में क्या, आपको दिक्कत क्या थी कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर को हम आरोप लगाएंगे? बिल्कुल लगाएंगे. हैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर, वो जीत कर आए हैं, उनको भुगतना पड़ेगा, जवाब देने पड़ेंगे, सवालों के जवाब. इससे डर के भाग जाने में कोई हल नहीं निकलता. This is not democracy. When you only talk about we have numbers. Yes, you have numbers. So did we when we passed laws. But discussion, consultation is the backbone of a vibrant democracy.
Okay.
Let's not forget that, Rakesh ji.
Okay.
Coming to your question, Maria.
Yes, yes.
Coming to your question, Maria.
Yes.
This bogey of opposition is not united, opposition is united. Who does this bogey suit to? This bogey suits Mr. Narendra Modi and no one else. Let them create this हंगामा. अरे साहब opposition united नहीं है. देख लीजिएगा, फिर चर्चा करा दीजिए. आपको कोई डर ही नहीं है opposition unity से. चर्चा क्यों नहीं करा देते? Maria, there are more debates on television than in the parliament. That's the misfortune of our democracy.
Mr. Khera,
more debates on your channel.
Mr. Khera, when you say that that's a misnomer, that is also not true, because today the TMC was not present in the opposition strategy meet that was held. Tomorrow again the TMC is going to skip it. If anything, they are sending a clear message. And now, Mr. Khera, now your former CM and now a member of the TMC has said that it's best to finish off the Congress.
Maria, what happens between us and TMC or us and any other opposition party is our business. What makes the Prime Minister not organize, not allow debates and discussions in the parliament is my simple question. You can't hide behind these strange अरे साहब opposition united. So, आपके 2 MP होते थे, जी और वाजपेयी जी, चर्चा होती थी. यहाँ 2 से ज़्यादा हैं.
Rakesh Sinha.
So don't hide
the
behind this.
The charge is that there is majoritarian authoritism that is happening by your government here. If you have the numbers, you should be open to more discussion, because ultimately you have the numbers to win the ensure the passage of those legislation.
We are the government which is very sensitive to democratic norms. Whether it was 370 or farmers law, every time opposition got the time, and none of the occasion the ruling party objected even the harsh criticism, personal remarks, and now come to the point. They want democracy, democratic duty. Pawan Khera rightly said some duties. I am telling them what their duty of performing in the parliament. Coming to the chair of the chairs, jumping on the table, throwing files to the chair, and creating riots in the parliament. We cannot telecast such thing. If the children of the school would see, they would start hating democracy. They have degraded democracy. We heard in the past, something happened in the assemblies. And we are hating that. These things should be reformed. They brought it to the Rajya Sabha, that to House of Elders. When I entered in 2018 the Rajya Sabha, I thought this is the platform where healthy debate and discussion took place. And I am telling you, sometimes we shout and our high command comes to say that, don't, please sit down. More than, let me come.
Yes, please, go ahead.
Let me complete.
We'll try and fix that audio.
Let me come in 10 seconds.
Yes.
20 seconds.
Yes.
You know, more than six senior leaders
Maria, I'd like to
always
respond.
watching our members not to do anything which is going against the parliamentary norms. Some new members try and we are asked to sit down.
Okay.
This is the
Okay,
sometimes they are very
Dola Sen,
provocative
since
things
you
to do.
have been
now, and
suspended.
last point.
Yes.
Last point. You know what security women who were in the security, they were threatened. They got hurt by their behavior.
Dola Sen, that is
Shame for
unbecoming of a
democracy.
member of
And
parliament.
This
kind of
will not
ruckus
be
plays
the
out in the
democratic
House.
duty.
Dola Sen, that's a charge coming from your fellow member
Yes.
of parliament.
Pardon?
The charge that is coming from
Pardon?
Rakesh Sinha, that what played out in the House that led to your suspension and of 11 other MPs was certainly unbecoming of a House which is supposed to be a House of Elders.
Yes. So I will suggest let Rakesh ji and you, both of you, please go through and cross-check the video and footage and the clippings of Rajya Sabha TV of the monsoon session. So you will get the answer. I will not reply. I know very much well that it's the House of Elders and we know the dignity, and even though we know that being the House of Elders, the Rajya Sabha, we are the representative of our states, so we are very much concerned about the dignity, about the level of Rajya Sabha MPs. But fear, again I will repeat that it's the 303 numbers arrogance what BJP are leading to, which will be not in favor of them but in against of them, because if you go through
She's
the
not responding
history
to
of
me, my
people's
question.
movement all over the universe, if you go through, then you will find that never ever
Okay.
Tanashahi, Hitler Shahi, Tughlaq Shahi, undemocratic things, unconventional things, unethical things, illegal things, and Anyay, conspiracy.
Okay, Dola Sen, tell me, since
झूठ,
the
ये
TMC
last
has
word
been,
नहीं होते, last
TMC
word
has
होते हैं
been-
सत्य, last word होते हैं न्याय,
Okay.
और last
Since
word
the
होते हैं
TMC
human
has
being.
been on this
People-
war path,
people of our country
trying to really
will give
position
them the
itself
lesson.
as the face of the opposition, tell me,
People of our
going
country
forward, will the TMC be
give
now
them the
calling
lesson.
meetings of opposition leaders? That the floor strategy will be decided by the TMC and others will be following, including the Congress.
Again, I am telling you what Pawan Khera ji has told. I am repeating my comment too. Please don't act like British. They have tried to teach us the divide and rule policy. Please don't go through it. You won't be successful. There are opposition unity, there will be opposition unity, and if we have any problem, we are sufficient enough to solve it. Please don't
I am responding
go
to
through
her.
it.
Okay.
It's the question
please,
of
let me-
democracy.
please.
Now,
it's
how
the question of
how
dignity,
BJP is responsible
it's
for the
question
division
of
in the position?
arrogance.
Maria.
Yes.
What we have,
Okay.
we
Now,
all
Maria,
of
give me
us
10 seconds to
have
respond just
to
one
Okay,
sentence.
one moment.
Please
Rakesh Sinha,
let
I'm going
us
to come to
Maria,
you.
you-
Let
you
me
understand.
start
attitude
wrapping
of
the
the
debate
Prime
and I'll
Minister.
begin with Pawan Khera. Pawan Khera, the charge here is that the opposition, that the BJP cannot be blamed for what is happening in the opposition group. What is happening there is
evident. We are not
evident.
interested in blaming the BJP. BJP has enough reasons to be blamed for, so we won't blame them for flimsy things. Matter is, Maria
Yes.
should protest as a media person. Why isn't the media allowed in the parliament? So, media mukt Sansad and Sansad mukt Bharat. This is what they are aiming at. Media को आप allow क्यों नहीं करते? आपको डर किस बात का है?
But
सच
media
दिख
is
जाएगा
there inside the house.
तानाशाही का. No. You know what I'm talking about. We are all very clear about what I'm talking about. So let's not go to a point where Sansad Mukt Bharat ho jaye. What is the point of having a Sansad where you don't have discussions? And I will not encourage this sidestepping of the fundamental issue कि साहब opposition unity है या नहीं, कौन meeting बुलाएगा. These are very, very irrelevant issues. Right now we are talking about 700 farmers who lost their lives thanks to one man and his zid, Mr. Narendra Modi. We are talking about 3,500 crores of losses every day. Lakhs of farmers out of their houses and fields away, sitting on the road, braving all odds. Winters, monsoon, summer, everything. Let's
Okay.
talk about कौन कल प्रधानमंत्री बनना होगा देख लेंगे 24 में. अभी क्यों लड़े उस पर? अभी हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ इस सरकार की तानाशाही के खिलाफ लड़ रहे हैं.
ठीक है. Rakesh Sinha, 30 seconds to you and then I'll give the final words to Dola Sen.
You know how fascism works. Opposition party leader Rahul Gandhi outside the parliament says that Pradhan Mantri ko lathi lagenge. This language in democracy, can this language strengthen democracy? When you are in a way provoking the people that Pradhan Mantri kuch din baad lathi lagenge, which Prime Minister responded in a very lighter way in the parliament. मैं सूर्य नमस्कार बढ़ा दूंगा. Inside the house, when you start whistling in the house, you start throwing everything on chair. Harivansh ji is
बिल वापस लेने पड़ेंगे और आपने
he's from JDU.
अभी बताइए ना.
सुन लीजिए.
अभी बताइए. इसी राहुल गांधी ने कहा था कि ये कानून वापस लेने पड़ेंगे और आपने लिए वापस. ये इसी राहुल गांधी ने कहा था. अभी बोलिए, शर्म आती है क्या बोलने में? यह बोलने में शर्म आ रही है क्या आपको?
देखिए, मैं
राहुल गांधी थे जिन्होंने कहा था ये तीनों काले कानून वापस लेने.
Maria ji, ask him to. I don't have habit to intervene like that. Just
to Dola Sen, since you
Maria ji,
speaking in the
Maria ji, let me complete. Let me complete. This is not the way. This is not the way. This is not the way. This is not the way.
One moment.
राहुल गांधी ने तो पार्लियामेंट के बाहर यह भी कहा था.
One moment.
Full time to complete my
One moment.
लेने पड़े.
Okay, Pawan Kheda, you have made your
गलत
point.
बात.
Rakesh Sinha, 20 seconds quickly and then I'll give the
इसका भी
final
जवाब
words to
दीजिए
Dola
राकेश
Sen.
सिन्हा जी.
Quickly.
He said about democracy that
you'll have to
this
take
is Corona
back these
time
laws,
and press
and
is
you
not
have
allowed due
to.
to the Corona.
He also warned
Second
you
thing,
about COVID.
it was 1975 when emergency was
बात को
imposed and
सीरियसली लेना शुरू कर
Parliament
दीजिए. थोड़ा बहुत संभाल लेंगे देश को. ये 2.5 साल जो आपके पास
democracy
बचे हैं ना,
to
Okay, Dola Sen, quickly, 20 seconds to you.
नहीं तो ऐसे ही डुबाएंगे कैसे?
What is really happening in Parliament now?
Rakesh Sinha ji, with due respect to your Prime Minister's chair, we are bound to tell, we are compelled to tell that this type of घमंड और arrogant Prime Minister हम कभी नहीं देखे. लेकिन उनको भी किसान मूवमेंट ने ये फार्म लॉ रिपील करने के लिए मजबूर किया. तो प्लीज listen to the people. The people will give you the lesson in the coming time.
All right. Thank you so much,
Please
Dola
wait
Sen.
and
We have
watch.
really come to the end of this discussion. Rakesh Sinha and Pawan Kheda, thank you so much for your time. Of course, today is day 1 of the winter session. It's a long session. We'll continue to track this story very, very closely. That's all from me. Thanks so much for watching and I'll be seeing you tomorrow.